Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to check your daily average watch time on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, open the TikTok app and tap on Profile. Now tap on the three white lines in the top corner and go to Settings and Privacy. From here, select Time and Well-being. Here, you'll be able to see your daily average watch time. If you want more details, such as separate day and night usage, just tap on it, and you'll be able to see your detailed watch history. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.